Hi everyone, this is Nessie and from Earn $100 Daily YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is all about product reviews and how to provide you the best tools that can help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Okay, so this video is about how you can make sales, Clickbank sales, using the free traffic exchange called Traffic Ad Bar. Okay, this is the website Traffic Ad Bar. I'm going to show you how I made more sales from the traffic from Traffic Ad Bar. And this is actually, guys, this is the second video that I'm making about this website. Okay, so I want to prove you that this website is really good for Clickbank sales and commissions. Okay, guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button above this video and also smash the small bell button so you can get all my videos as soon as I upload them to YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. Let me show you my sales from Clickbank that came from Traffic Ad Bar. So you can see this is my login to Clickbank. And you can see that I have made two sales in the last 2 weeks. So one it was on August 18th, $8.78. And of course there are a lot of methods to sell to sell Clickbank products. This is not going to replace email list building and other or building a YouTube channel, but this is just another method that you can use to sell Clickbank products using this free websites of Traffic Ad Bar. Okay, and you can see the second sale was on August 26th, few days ago. So now I want to prove you that the sales came from Traffic Ad Bar. Okay, so if I go to reporting, okay, now as I said in my previous video, it's very important to use the tracking ID. Every time you post your link everywhere, you should use your tracking ID. I will show you how to use it again, how to find it again. So every time you make a sale, you know where the traffic for that particular sale came from. Okay, this is important to identify where the traffic for that particular sale came from. Okay, so if I go to the last 14 days, okay, I'm filtering my results on the last 14 days, and you can see that the sales came from, let me move. Okay, we have two initial sales and they both came from, now I'm going to filter it by tracking ID. Okay, and now you can see that the sales came from Traffic Ad Bar. Both sales came from Traffic Ad Bar. And how do I know that? Very simple. You can see the three letters are TAB. That means TAB stands for Traffic Ad Bar. Okay, so both of them has TAB on the end of the link on the tracking ID. That means that I can recognize where the traffic for that sales came from, and it came from Traffic Ad Bar. Okay, so just to remind you that if you go to Marketplace and you just go to your favorites, for instance, and you pick up one of your products that you already want to promote. Usually I'm choosing products that they have at least 20 gravity. Okay, let's say I'm going to, for the sake of the example, I'm going to use this product. So this product has gravity of 40, so it's good for me. So I'm going to click on promote, and very important to put your tracking ID over here. So when you make a sale, you are able to know where the sales came from. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now I'm going to show you why you should, another reason why you should use traffic ad bar as one of your traffic sources for generating Clickbank sales. If I go to traffic, if I go to Alexa and I'm checking, and you can see that traffic ad bars Alexa ranking is very, very good. Okay, they have almost a bit less than 13,000. You can see it's a very good Alexa ranking. And another thing, guys, another important thing that you can see that traffic ad bar is very, very popular on tier 1 countries. You can see that 42% of the traffic of traffic ad bar comes from United States and Brazil and Canada. So both United States and Canada are tier 1 countries. So you can see the traffic ad bars has a very good traffic from tier 1 countries. So this is another reason why you should consider using ad bar. Now you can find the link for traffic ad bar under this video. You can find the link in the description below this video, and you can use it for free. Okay, now you can use the good thing in traffic ad bar is that you can use it for free. You can put up to 5 links, up to 5 websites or your referral links or whatever product that you would like to promote. So 5 guys, 5 product, 5 links for free you can put. Now I'm going to show you, very simple, how you can put the links. So if you want, if you want to use it for free, that's fine. Now I see today they have a really big discount, so you can save up to 40% off your upgrade. So if you want to upgrade and get more traffic, get more exposure, of course you can do that. And but if you are on a budget, so you can go to websites and you can put 5 links for free, guys. Now something very important is that I already have 5 links over here, so I'm not going to add another one, but just for the sake of the example, you can see here that you need to when you insert your referral link over here, this is the field that you have to put your referral link. You also need to put title, and very important, you have to write headline. You have to put some words in the headline 1 and headline 2. Okay, otherwise you can't submit your ad. You can't submit your website. So very important to fill in all these fields. Okay, so you can put 5 links, and then you can you can see that I'm now I already sponsored 155 people to traffic ad bar. And another thing is that I can use my commissions to upgrade, because when your referral is upgrading, you get a commission, and you can use the commissions to upgrade. So if I want, you see, I have right now you have $10.74 that you can convert. So I can convert it to 33 days as a Pro Lite member, or 17 days as a Pro member, and 9 days as a Platinum member. So the more higher the package that you upgrade, you get more benefits. And if you are a pro member, you can also submit few, I think 5, you can submit 5 banners in addition to the links. So free member, you can you can go through the upgrades. I'm not going to get into it because I don't want to make this video too long. But if you go to upgrades, you can see that you can see all the you can see how much you get. How much you can get, how many links you can put, how many banners you can put, and so forth. Okay, so you can go through the upgrades. And that's it. And last thing that is very important, you need to surf as many websites as you can to get more points and to get more, so you can get a lot of views, so you can get a lot of traffic to your website in the traffic exchange. Okay, basically traffic ad bar is a traffic exchange, so you need to surf. I'm going to show you one ad that I'm surfing, and everyone is, I think, 15 seconds. Okay, so the more website that you surf, you will get more views on your websites. Okay, so you just need to click and to go and to move on to the next advertising, to the next website. So the more website that you surf, you get more eyeballs on your 5 links that you promote on traffic ad bar. Okay, so guys, you can see that traffic ad bar is a really good traffic source for your Clickbank links, and of course you can promote any link that you want, any product, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any website that you have, literally any product that you would like to promote. Guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find the traffic ad bar link under this video. Please like, share, and comment on this video. If you have any questions, I will be more than happy to assist you. And I hope you like this video. Bye, and see you in my next video.